Hi, my name is Rishabh and we are team Fertifood. Have a close look at this picture. What do you see? This is the amount of food waste generated from one single restaurant every single day. And all of this food waste goes directly into the landfills. Now in UAE alone, approximately 3 kgs of food waste is wasted by per household every single day, which leads to emissions of 1.8 tons of greenhouse harmful gases every year. When the food waste goes to the landfill, it consists of 35%. So 35% of the food waste landfill is actually filled with food waste, which if it's wrongly decomposed or if it rots, it emits methane and carbon monoxide, which are 28 times more harmful than carbon dioxide itself. So how do we solve this problem? Firstly, we can stop reducing the food. We can stop wasting food. If not, we can donate the excess food, and if you cannot donate the excess food, you can give it to the animals. If you cannot do all of that, maybe it's not possible in UAE, you can start composting. That's where we come in. We make composting easy. Now you see, the problems with manual composting is that it's time-consuming, it's confusing to a layman, it's physically tiring, and it needs attention every week. Otherwise, your compost will go bad and it'll start smelling. To prevent that, we have designed and developed a solar-powered, smart, automatic composting bin which accelerates and automates the process of composting. The way this works is that our smart composting bin is fitted with sensors which will automatically oxygenate, hydrate, and measure the temperature and curate the compost on its own without any human interference at all. This is the image of our prototype which we have developed in the SOA facility. And as you can see, that's the way it moves. That's our very first basic prototype which we've developed. And yep.
We're looking at a market of where our target market is basically middle to high income households who live in villas and gated communities. That roughly states that there's $6.72 billion worth of market in the world. There's 134 million worth in MENA region alone. And if you go shorter, there's $13.6 million US dollars worth of market in the UAE. We are better than our competitors in many ways. We are faster, we are more efficient and easy to use, while the others are slow, tiring to use, lots of effort required. Our revenue model is extremely simple. What we aim to do is manufacture our product and sell it on e-commerce website, which opens up a huge market for us. We're also looking at licensing and royalty deals where we can easily manufacture our product. We've come a long way from the Expo 2020 grant. We've designed, developed, and prototyped our model, and then we're looking at making an enhanced version of our product so that we can go into full-fledged manufacturing. Our team is passionate students from Murdoch University who just wants to help with the food waste management. We have our mentor, Mr. Ryan, who's a hardcore environmentalist. We like to end this saying, work with us. We're looking for engineers and pre-seed investment to develop our product. Thank you.
Question on thanks for the presentation. Question on the capacity of the solution. How much food waste can you actually handle in that machine?
It's tops is 50, but it should be somewhere between 45 to 50 kgs. One drum can hold 50 liters of compost, food waste. Per cycle.
Which is?
Which is 1 month. Usually the process of composting is 1.5 months, but if you do it just right, you can reduce the time and it's approximately a month. If the compost is exactly right, that's what the machine does.
You extract the methane?
Sorry?
You extract the methane, the gas, out of the composting, or you just... like how I mean, you license it, you rent it, or you sell it?
No, we have nothing to do with methane. This is just a composting. We sell the hardware.
Okay.
We have two routes. Either we can sell it online, directly sell it online, maybe in a drop shipping model, or what we can do is we can license the technology to other composting bin manufacturers and then take a royalty on top of that.
Okay.
Sure.